Take your.
I think it's not fair anyway.
I'm just too good, you know? Too good.
Yeah.
Cheers myself.
Okay, you have to.
I've never
only
played,
score
so-
up to 6th grade.
It has to hit my side first, right? When I serve it.
Does it?
Yeah.
My head burnt. Got the cameras. Good. So here we have the Fine Arts parking lot. Only accessible if you have a swipe card because you're a teacher. And here, this bad baby.
What if it's not the coma?
No, it is. Look at the crack.
Oh my god. That's the Tacoma.
Yeah, the Starbucks bags. Here's the selfie. Take it from me.
Okay. Go on, go make friends. No, I can't commit to the bit.
He didn't want my friendship. Look at her. It's too bright in here, so she covered her eyes up. Look at her.
I mean, like, true. Look at that little foot right there. What is it, Sam?
Multicam.
No, we get
Multicam setup is fucking windy. We're here at H Mart. We're gonna buy.
Oh god.
We're gonna buy some mocha.
No, no.
Mochi.
You're literally a racist.
I'm sorry. Yeah, cat with the wine. Yeah.
This is a good decision. This is gonna succeed.
Wine tour.
Everyone, motherfuckers, up in the club right now. This is my favorite wine. It tastes like juice, and I love it. Oh my fucking god, you're not real. You're not real.
Kat, I have a present for you. Do you want him? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Give him back. Give it back. Kat, where are we? What are we doing? Oh, what are those nails for? That's so good. What's your makeup look like? Oh, because you're so slay. Where are we?
We're gonna have to. You should freeze it when I go and then just animate my mouth opening and closing. Here, I'll do some for you. And then we can record the voice later.
Bro, you didn't even know that.
It's a dog. It is a dog. Oh, it's a dog. It is just a dog. No, wait, it's a dog. He killed it. You're fucking late! L for late. Looks so good. Looks so good. That was your man. That was your boyfriend.
Hi, Otto.
I like Otto.
That's why I do this. It's not for the art. It's not for the it's not for the creative expression. Anything. I do watercolors for the Instagram. Happy 420.
Happy birthday!
All
To
right.
those who celebrate.
We're gonna take this Pass it around.
Those same thoughts can't stop thinking you got me brainwashed. I'm see through, need you. Why do I think you're so cool? Everything's plain except for my thoughts. Thinking about me getting you off. It's been a week, I'm still at your house. I don't wanna leave, it's freaking me out. Oh, I don't wanna leave, it's freaking me out.
Sing this shit with me. Come on.
I don't wanna leave you hanging on. It's kinda hard to miss who's never gone. Give me 3 days alone. Yeah. We can fuck about it later if you want. It's all we ever really do when something's wrong. Cause if you don't seem to like it when we talk, I guess I'll see you later. See you later. We can fuck about it later if you want. Cause we never fix the problems that we got. Baby, you don't seem to like it when we talk. I guess I'll see you later.
Should I do my bit?
Yeah.
You know what they say about D&B? It's boots and cats.
Boots, cats, 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 boots, cats.
Pussy shoes and pussy shoes and pussy shoes and pussy shoes and pussy shoes. Now imagine if that went off.
Yeah.
Imagine if it flew on, it'd be over. But that's what the bobby pins are for.
Yeah, watch out for the incline.
Uneven ground, everyone.
Forget the half inch elevation change.
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh, I gotta.
Yeah, baby.
This is everything I've eaten in the last 24 hours. Last night, no dinner. Went straight to bed. Woke up this morning. Took either 1 or 2 estrogen pills. I don't really know. Proceeded to have nothing. And then a 5th of an edible. Enough of the edible to make it 4ths. And then the second 4th. I took estrogen after that again. I took two doses, 4 milligrams. And I had 2 bottles of soju, a Monster, and like half a shroom chocolate bar, and then smoked some weed.
And how much have you eaten?
A Reuben. I had a Reuben.
Repeat that.
I said, guys, this is how you stay skinny. You just eat the drugs, like, and that's your calories. And then you don't
This
eat.
is so Berlin.
Yeah,
We do
come on.
nothing but eat shrooms, drink Monster, and vape.
Why am I crying? No, can I have the camera, please? This is my time. Why am I crying? No, like literally, there's like a tear in my eye. Like, why am I crying, guys? We started. Am I like? I don't understand what I'm feeling. Why I'm crying? I feel so weird. It's also cold. No, it's good cold. I feel like I am being perceived as slaying, but I don't feel this way. Like if I was me over there, I would be like, you're killing it. But me right here, I'm not killing it. No, like, am I God?
Yeah.
Am I God? There you go. Am I God? Guys, I feel like God. Maybe it's the autism, guys. Like, did we ever think that? Because that hurt my feet, and it wasn't a pleasant experience, but like, it felt kind of fun.
Here, run around me in a circle.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Are you sure now?
Yes.
It's been a
Joke's on
pleasure.
you, everyone. My anxiety will always outshine me. I will never recover.
Hi. How's it going?
It's going great.
Yeah?
You keep fucking moving, and it looks really not pink in this lighting when it's a yellow light bulb.
No, it'll be fine. Yo.
Not in front of the car. In front of the car.
Yes, ma'am.
In front of the car.
I'm not going all the way down.
Will you?
There's so many better songs.
Demons. This is the only one they know. Non-believers. The plans that they have made. Says one day I'll leave you a phantom to save you in the summer to join the Black Parade.
mom gay.
Congrats again!
Your mom gay.